So one of the settings you can enable in the actual settings tab is show sales rank color. And so one of the settings here is to actually define what colors are being used for that option. So for the books category, we'll just start here because I sell books mainly. So like I've said previously, on a general basis, green is more the low and the good items. Red is more the higher rank and the slower moving stuff. So that's basically how the sales color chart is set up, where green is 0 or 1 rank to 100,000, the blue is 101,000 or 100,001 to 300,000, and so on and so forth. As you see, you can change these colors if you want. I kind of like it how it is. These are the defaults, and so it gives me a good representation of what I'm looking at. I don't necessarily look too deep at the colors unless it's either green or red, because those are the big factors that you're looking for.